Okay, so, I posted a video yesterday on Subway Surfers about being on the leaderboard with 72,000 score, and I got a new high score, and I'm actually extremely high on the leaderboards. I'm in the top 3 of the entire United States. You can go on the leaderboards, and I'm in the top of silver. If I would have gotten, I think it was like 200,000 more or something. Hold on. I would have, been in gold. So I'm hoping I can stay in this spot that I'm in. But, see, top run. See, because here's the, I don't know what this is. So there's those people, and then there's bronze. Yesterday I was in bronze. I was like all the way down here, somewhere around the middle. And now I beat Amani, Guillermo, or whatever, and now I'm up here. I have 513,000 score. See, if I would have gotten 200-something thousand score, I would have been in gold. And I would be extremely happy. I guess I could go one run. I can't even go. See, but my screen is so hard to swipe. Seriously? Oh my god. What the hell? They played me. Okay, I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm on the leaderboards. You guys can go check me out on there. And, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel, cause I make a goal, 25 subscribers. One day. Thanks, see you again.